Hi children, good morning to all. Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome to my online class. In the last class, we discussed about prime numbers. Today, we are going to learn about rational and irrational numbers. Let us start the class. Consider the fraction 1 by 4. When we divide 1 by 4 as normal division method, we will get the answer is 0.25. Similarly, the fraction 1 by 2 equal 0.5, 3 by 5 equal 0.6, 1 by 8 equal 0.125 and 3 by 8 equal 0.375. All these numbers are called terminating decimals. They stop by 1 or 2 or 3 or more decimal points. The first one, 1 by 4, only 2 decimal place. Here, the second and third one, only 1 decimal place. Third and fourth and fifth, here 3 decimal places. So, all these numbers are called terminating decimals. Now, consider the fractions 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 9 and 2 by 7. 1 by 3 we can write 0.333 etc. 2 by 3 0.666. 4 by 9 0.444. It is repeating. And 2 by 7 0.285714. Again the same number 285714, 285714 etc. All these numbers are called recurring decimals or repeating decimals. They repeat by 1 or 2 or 3 or more digits together. Both terminating decimals and recurring or repeating decimals are together called rational numbers. Once again, both terminating decimals and recurring decimals are together called rational numbers. So, any number that can be expressed in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Once again, any number that can be expressed in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Again, consider pi. We know its approximate value is 22 by 7. When we divide 22 by 7, we will get pi equal 3.14159 etc. etc. It is not repeating. It is not repeating, but it is not terminating. The decimals do not stop and they do not repeat. Another non-terminating, non-repeating decimal number is E. That is equal 2.718, 2818, 2845 etc. This is also not terminating and not repeating. Similarly, root 3 and root 2 also same like that way. Non-terminating and non-repeating. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. That is terminating and repeating decimals. These numbers are called rational numbers and non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. These numbers are called irrational. Terminating and repeating decimals are called rational numbers and non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are called irrational numbers. Examples are for irrational root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 etc. These irrational numbers are called radicals. The symbol, normally we are using the symbol as square root. This symbol indicates a radical. We have some easy ways to identify a terminating decimal. The very beginning we already saw that 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. these fractions, when we are writing corresponding decimals, these decimals are terminating decimals. Here 1 by 4, consider 1 by 4. The denominator is 4. 4 we can write 2 times 2. Here 1 by 2. 2 simply the factor is 2 only. And 3 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. And the fourth case, denominator is 8. 8 we can write 2 times 2 times 2. We can consider few more numbers. 3 by 10, that is equal 0.3, equal 3 by 10 we can write 5 times 2. It is terminating. The second fraction 2 by 20. 20 we can write 2 times 2 times 5. 2 divided by 15. That is equal 0.13333. But this is repeating. And 5 by 6. That is equal 0.8333. 3 is repeating. In general, in all terminating decimals, the denominator will be either 2 or 5 or a multiple of 2 and 5. Only 2 and 5. Denominator contains only 2, 5 or their multiples. If any other number is there, then the fraction will not be terminating. We can check that one, okay? Here the first fraction 3 by 4. We need to check 3 by 4 is a terminating decimal or not. 4 we can write 2 times 2. So denominator is a multiple of 2. Or the factors of denominator are only 2. So it is terminating. The second case 13 by 40. 40 we can write 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 or 2 cube into 5. Here the factors are only, prime factors are 2 and 5 only. So this is also terminating. But the third number 7 by 30, that is equal 7 by 2 times 3 times 5. Here in this denominator, factors of denominator other than 2 and 5, 3 is there. So this number, this fraction is not terminating. Here are few homework questions for you. Check whether the following numbers are terminating. The first one 11 by 16, second one 23 by 50 and the third one 11 by 17. For that we need to find prime factors of the denominator. If the denominator is a multiple of 2, 5 or multiple of 2 and 5. Only product of 2 and 5. Then only the given fraction is terminating. Okay, bye children. See you.